I want to do question number 9. We will do question number 9. Okay. सबको पता है ना ट्रेडिंग एंड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में क्या जाता है? ओके, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ऑल गुड्स रिलेटेड अकाउंट्स एंड purchase related expense, and in profit and loss account all expenses and all income account. Now let's check out from the following balances extracted from ledger of XYZ. Prepare trading account and profit and loss account for the year end 31st March 2009. Now stock, there is a printing mistake, make it 1408. 1408. Where will this stock go? Debit side. It will go on the debit side trading account. So I go T debit. Purchase T debit. Sales trading credit. Purchase return minus from purchase. Sales return minus from sales. Octroi trading account debit side. Salary, profit and loss debit, because it is our expense. Electricity, profit and loss debit. Legal expense, profit and loss debit. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawing is profit and loss credit. I'll explain this concept to you while we do this. Then interest received, profit and loss credit. Sale of old newspaper, profit and loss credit. Okay. Dock charges, trading debit. Goods drawn for personal use minus from purchase. Take करो purchase फिर से. Then commission received, profit and loss credit. Discount received, profit and loss credit. Postage and telegram, profit and loss debit. Printing and stationery, profit and loss debit. Advertisement, profit and loss debit. Commission, profit and loss debit, because ऊपर commission received दिया है, so ये commission is commission paid. Okay, then brokerage received, profit and loss credit. Showroom expense, profit and loss debit. And depreciation, profit and loss debit. Depreciation is our expense. पता है ना सबको? Okay, profit and loss debit to depreciation. You remember the entry we used to pass? Okay, closing stock is 23,000 while market price is 30,000. I want you to add one account into this. Depreciation के नीचे add करो. Interest on capital. Interest on capital. So we will cover both. Interest on drawings and interest on capital. Right, 500. Interest on capital 500. Where it will go profit and loss debit side. ठीक है? Okay. Make the format. Make around 10 to 12 lines of trading account, and remaining page will be profit and loss. अगर एक पेज में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तुम्हारा तो यू कैन टेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट पेज ऑल्सो. Now, stock. Opening stock. 1,50,000 trading account debit side to opening stock. Purchases. Two purchases. Now there are two things. Inner column 1 lakh. Minus purchase return साथ में ही कर लेंगे 5,000 95,000 minus goods withdrawn goods drawn 5,000 outer column 90,000. Okay. Sales, buy sales. Three lakh inner column minus sales return 6,000. 2,94,000. Octroi. Trading account debit side to Octroi. 2,000. Salary. Now profit and loss account with first two lines blank. Always remember this. First two lines will always be blank. To salary. 10,000. To electricity. 5,250. To legal expense. 2,500. Interest on drawings. ध्यान दो. Very interesting concept. Okay. We have owner and we have business. ध्यान देना please. Now, owner gives money to the business. This is known as capital. तो can I say कि business को owner से पैसा मिल गया? हम क्या consider करते हैं? Owner and business are two separate entities. They are just like two separate person. Now, owner, if the owner does not give money to the business, business will have to take a loan from the bank. So business will have to pay interest. So the owner will say, okay, if I don't give you money, you'll go to the bank or someone else, you will not get this money free of cost. So when the owner invests money in the business, business will give interest to the owner. You understood this? Okay. Now, for business, money, they have received the money, so business has to pay interest. Can I say for business, interest on capital is a expense? All of you understood this? If interest on capital is expense, what is interest on drawings? It will become income. Now reverse situation. Business is giving money to the owner. So business will say, "Ab meri baari hai." Isn't it? Now I will take interest from you. Is this clear? All of you understood this? Yes. See, sole proprietor जो है ना, if it is sole proprietor, practically interest on capital and interest on drawing is not there because मेरा business मेरा पैसा मुझको ही interest मिलने वाला है, मैं ही interest देने वाला हूँ. But in case of partnership, okay, he is a partner, I am a partner, he is a partner. We are three partners. I invested 1 lakh, he invested 2 lakh, he invested 3 lakh. So everyone is investing separate amount. So then they get interest. Is this clear? Okay, जिसका ज़्यादा पैसा है उसको interest चाहिए ना? Okay. For sole proprietor, it's a theoretical concept. Okay, in reality, it is not there. But for partnership, which you will be doing in 12th standard, interest on capital and interest on drawing is there. This is clear? Okay. Now, interest on drawing. So leave first two lines blank. But interest on drawings. ये theoretical concept है. Okay, but we have to do it as a part of adjustment. It will help you next year. 250. Interest received. By interest received. Two 750. Sale of old newspaper. By sale of old newspaper. There's also interesting concept over here to make you understand when we do stationery. Dock charges, trading account debits. One two 50. Goods withdrawn we have already done. Commission received 2500. Discount received again 2500. Postage and telegram. One two 50. Printing and stationery. Two printing and stationery. 1770. Two advertisement. 1500. Two commission. 2500. By brokerage received. Two 550. To showroom expense. 1500. To depreciation. The other to the depreciation. Last sum what we did, we had given effects in final accounts. So we made profit and loss account. Usme we had written on the debit side to depreciation 2120. To interest on capital. Fine. Is the sum over? No. सबसे पहले before you go for closing stock, go through every account whether you have done the posting or not. कोई रह तो नहीं गया. what about closing stock? What value will take? 23,000, whichever is lower. What are the two effects? First effect for closing stock is trading account credit side. Trading account credit and balance sheet. Balance sheet. Balance sheet does not have debit and credit. It is liabilities and asset. This is clear. So first effect is trading account credit side by closing stock. We take lower of the two, which is 23,000. Second effect will give when we do balance sheet. Start closing these. To gross profit. Wait. Transfer to. Let everyone do it. Let me go around and check. Sagar. What's the gross profit? 7. Okay, wait. 7 then
3, 7, 5, 0.
0. Okay, we transfer it by gross profit. Transferred from trading account. Close it. What? Credit side is more. To net profit. Transfer to capital account. How much?
55670.
55670.